Greetings from MrGoldAcademy.com. Today we're going to look at some gold rings, and you can see these rings in front of us here, and they all contain diamonds and other types of gemstones. So we're just going to have a look at each one of them and discuss each one in a little bit of detail. So let's start on our left here. This first ring is made of 14 karat yellow gold, and it has a diamond right here in the center, and this ring was made in what's called the Art Deco style, and this is a style that used geometric patterns and so on. You can find more information about this online if you're interested in it. Next one over is a 14 karat and 18 karat gold ring that has a diamond. And this particular ring was a wedding band and a diamond gold solitaire ring. And the person we bought this from was getting divorced from his spouse. And what they had done when they were married is they had fused the wedding band to the diamond ring solitaire. They had a bench jeweler do it. And so that's why we have the ring in this configuration. Being 14 and 18 karat gold with a diamond, and you can see here in the bottom that there's actually white gold and yellow gold in this, so it's kind of a unique ring. It was repurposed by the previous owner before we got it. The next ring over, and so we have two rings here that have diamonds in them. Diamond is at the top of the ladder in terms of gemstones. It's considered the most valuable of all gemstones by far, all things considered. And then the next tier down, there are three types of gemstones that generally fall into the next category down, those semi-precious stones, and those would be emeralds, sapphires, and rubies. So this ring here is a beautiful ring made of 14 karat yellow gold, and you can see the green gemstone here, that's an emerald, and it's also flanked by diamond accents on each side. The next ring over is also 14 karat yellow gold. This one features a blue sapphire gemstone in the middle that's oval shaped, and it's faceted, meaning that it was cut by a jeweler to help to reflect light and to make it more attractive. In this case, it was cut in an oval pattern shape, and it's surrounded by diamonds as well, so it gives the appearance of a flower, and it's just an attractive design. Next ring over is also 14 karat yellow gold. This particular ring has a ruby gemstone on the top here, and it has a pearl at the bottom, and it's an attractive design. The next one over is also 14 karat gold. This one is white gold, and white gold is different from yellow gold in that an alloy is added to the gold to create this attractive white color. The alloys used are usually silver and palladium. There are a few others that result in this white color that jewelers use to make white gold jewelry. Now this particular ring has a large princess cut aquamarine gemstone. Princess cut just means that it is square in color, square in its shape, and it's also faceted, meaning that it was cut by a professional in order to help reflect the light and refract the light as best as they can in order to make the ring more attractive. It also has diamond accents on each side. The next ring over is a yellow gold ring, and this gemstone is a jade gemstone, and instead of it being faceted, it is what's called a cabochon. A cabochon cut gemstone, instead of it being cut to these square and rectangular geometric shapes, it is round on the outside. And actually the jade gemstone you see here and the one beside it, which is an opal, are both cabochon cut gemstones. And as I mentioned just now, the one on the furthest right is a yellow gold ring with an opal. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's some really cool looking rings here. We're selling these rings all the time with MrGoldAcademy.com, and they're beautiful looking rings. Gold jewelry is beautiful in general, and we hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.